so awishe me mama akwa ba shonko akwa ba emu odre ankasa na ene de mu aba ama owusu a masaje medwa biem na meji medwa yi na ensema abeto jan ena mbetwe mu ede akye ahwefo eni etifo ore afi 2020 ya ye ka beef akese a ya ribi pa e wa fiwe mu efi eye music industry mu era asofo mu chese enya asem ketwa wobi asori a ne gofu ne yonko wobi asori we yetim we akame ya twe ne sere ne abasasa ama sese bia bedru de enimu aye de ankasa na ore na wotwe we mu a beef a trendy pa e wo social media wobi ade na no tuma wo ka bi atese dania be dani ensem foforo no eye Rough Town record label beef aba record label Chinese no womo entemiche Wendy Shay ene Fantana na beef we de enye ene shase e wo hodada ever since ye signing Fantana ewo Rough Town label sorry no just say enya asem ketwa de bia da womo twentu ewo honom na ekoda kakra na no ada na Fantana eko eye show bi so na wo kasa wo che na age ewo ho no koka se ye ka Ghana ha anwumtofo emanu mu a wo ma che omde o ma bom ho modin a wo nwumto atimi edum atra ahye e da ko international level na enye eye o ma fe any Wendy Shay de won ka be on ka hwe won dru be bia eye local champion ha ya no nam Ghana ha ya kra ha ya wo chinchin ho anu abetena se wo chinchin ho anu abetena se won ko be bia ye ka international accreditation say internationally wo ye recognizer oh da bi onu ho ye ndu ho kra ye akan bebre ne journey far too long eno na Fantana de too hard Wendy Shay ka say anabawe we pa obiam no wo the same record label na da bi yenwa ne say na me that one fan channel no so chere na dream wo social media chere ye Fantana just say adwin chere no na Fantana so tell us that be meet me ma me because of something small make I ma dream na me chere won't me ensi me kwan ma dream me chere na Wendy Shay can na Fantana so reply Wendy Shay can na Fantana reply number tell secret epie wo mu revelations o man kasa mu wo mu secret wo mu company wo o mu dey atudwa no enya asem ketwa na se sia no enya adane ama eye wo mu bi for mu sha sen kakra wo mu ntem no adane ama Exp0ses wo Rough Town label hon ama se sia dey there me ne wo ka say ya terminate Fantana ne contractor woni Rough Town ewo ama te se ade de wonka wo ho ebiem na enunti ena matumi nsa e dia fra mi nua bema eye Andy Teflon se wo mra ne entwetwe nkomo ne enya ntiase bi wo mdie nti a eye Rough Town record label wo nkoa wo music Chinese de bia da na ntokwa wentwi ewo muntem there are other record labels that say nom to for abodompi mo ha different Chinese wo na so de bia sumdwe wo mo nko so krampo na wo nko de bia entokwa enunti jebre na metwa mo aba me ba ye beto aso shonko batima GH so bia boko mu achewo na se mo twama bo ai ele na de me also pa wabanti ele de con all sides what say about Fantana any Wendy Shay one latest beef almost akin you
somebody after all the controversies in from day one since day one somebody any news we are any at the Friday
na okay we start up briefly we say na instem go anyway Fantana dey beto that say Rough Town ho crampo be journey cry entropo no dey share say wo ho no interview first interview no trantro and all kinds of revelations are about up no e will be for ya mu no we say
on say bia afena bia problem abande bia afena be ka no kra wo mu ni na say bia mo ni say bia say afena oba ni ti o say wo ye bia management ne plan na say bia record label no person na we be nya dia also open ti as bia take for that to be there obi abenya ni gains wo nti bia afena problem abana afena also kind of quant
na ejuma wo mbe bia ya sign what me you ho market just because you colleague any
sa part there one try crack cause yes bia we did one there and say oh say this achieve this hour but then no share a record label like Rough Town and Rough Town and won't mean relevant maybe you might be good but then once a Rough Town are known for signing female artists the likes of Ebony Wendy Shay are more produces it into true channel and was wafa ama Fantana with me I drop some bangers BIT and I Fantana genre of music no yana weird some urban vibe and shut down for Ghana but yes still no nkofo kura no because of rough town no wo mu nti saa bibia of channel only so be nya problem anya record label na nya problem nti saa onom na o dirty omo say omo lyrics are sounding nyama yes saa same record label na o discredit omo say omo lyrics are sound saa same record label na ema o enyum ema o
edin
ana mo so matro nyum ama o enyama enyum na hete nti and out be about be ka say record label no omo lyrics are sound na say we ya show some ungrateful as we show ungrateful side of you because enya one record label no nya issue
Teflon Fantana de we betu dwano rough town owner bullet and kasa to aba out be ka say Fantana se na yenya nim say woni Ch0ppings some time ago na o ka say Ch0ppings ye ne cousin no enim sa na Ch0ppings nkrani na na wo boss o de say wakwa o de fanta wakola na egu woni ma say wakola na ya de bone a wo boss no say won coming out now so be back akran bon na oil with bonin
na enye say o back but I so follow interview on this Felix na say interview then na about be about hype ono say to be industry mu kapo no mutimi create some confusion be about then behind the scenes no na o me very very cool into we share no my typical example say be Ch0ppings ne Fantana some your cousins back in money back here we but then the show business into the be I be take be get the attention of people no and also in tears
oh say na o inspect say na yete as na say na city
into also cite example example no cite into also my reference say Fantana ni be omo nyenu o hwe omo tribal way na differences na there's no way they meet my cousins but then omo they put omo they to out say omo your cousins just to get the attention of people and I share Ch0ppings so kita huge following and as Fantana so happen up until I say obi adinya mfaso de openti and no no person say show business there nya be one ma be na staged nti a reference on
but rumor be break here say Fantana ne Ch0ppings ADT how true is it
Fantana ne Ch0ppings
after say in the cousins we ask by
omo dey say then I don't think say be na be bloggers na omo you ba
so we bullet and kasa be ka say they are not cousins na you who omo together most of times
oh na say the obetwe who obi ni obi together friend just say be omo date
sir it is just for hype.
No couple the news point no card you say e dey shen
okay you be wa say Wendy Shay right after Ebony we and I think after some few months and you're signing no e wo rough town record label no and Che I think after 1 year or 2 years and you be signing Fantana so account and it's one two no doing the work of this in the same record label no dey nkwana and click wo honma emma de bia the two of them are indulged in controversies they bia that they are hitting at each other
but then no share per their bullet person say on say those Fantana here under rough town record no the management team is different just under record label no but the management team is different
okay
same way now as management team is different no I say on say different no but yes they work together if say we camp na say bia nkomobi debut because we ebia Fantana ka ebia for Wendy Shay but then na group no order same we now am carry some information na they come Wendy Shay so feel say na Fantana kan no no say nkomobi na almost ka bibia no almost so aba then between the people na I say intermediary
no ankasa na didi ase
I say enkofo bembe na say nyanya say bia two artists na say person but then the people around them no na say influence negative say when this is say Fantana so ka say no as more transfer into
and I say they okay they want to say backbiting e wo ekona ka say rough town record label no backbiting because
no any rough town no one say those say we were under we can say rough town or circuit and the management team I blown GH need different from and then the management mission say bia when you can say Fantana can say just so bia in just an share girls the dreams as wait time we and we dream bonima we hands and the kind of reason behind the whole thing and I say be a rough town
okay ti here record label say e wo ho you who the likes of Links Entertainment manage 1 or 2 artists at the same time no controversies about up Links Entertainment for example say see Akidi signing we so ho Kwame Eugene as ho things are going on smoothly obi ya dey e won carry mu a ye te say omu fight do say enka ebeka some crowd the way do they can even be rivals and envy each other because someone in the same field high life but still now they are moving on and doing well in their own fields. Controversy be a ember up into dear and and air coastal rough town label one man. They say Fantana and Wendy Shay almost mean coming together for one time.
Oh, sir, issues in there according to bullets. I say, I might try solving several times, like I might try because first one I start here, no, I might come here, but then as a still, yes, still, no, see, about guy back over doing interview, say, guy no wonder rough town, because I'm not cat blown GH, no. I want to also hear the same thing as a person on the phone. As a Fantana catch and say, so a man need our man, mammy, as I know the Fantana, so no, mammy, wealthy woman, whatever. Until as I know the influence of the machine, it seems Chagania, Fantana, American boy, block would have been pushing me, and also, or to be a flabian also the call. But then, and yet the same thing I'll be now links camp. On us be a dream, Ujman or you know, be a focused on Ujman or and be as or or like or fighting for a comma we how we know on side.
When say come and a payback on rough town bullet.
Come up Benson.
A brother or yeah or wanting to go rough and smooth. From news coming up no and a man rough and smooth no eguye and or shed that tin who and chain for me record label no. And it's a come now. Or they a year the former brother yes smooth as they see no soon to me hit or no to say baby I won't do and no now pay back on what as no soon the hour no girls no to enter me agreeing on Emma record label enter me queen.
I don't think say come we idea like a reality when you come as in
Anna rough maybe the same say I don't a rough town and this kind of
but I won't say with this when I say there's an intermediary or equation which is the blown GH. Sanke record label none of BBA, some management in BBA. I don't think that's a man, but I said, Sab blown GH now a bit in Finfin. I said, or more interfere with the works of the two. I get it. Those are blown GH or Munya and Campan Cabia, Fantana, the Benya more attention chain when the Shino. In Sana made me pay me, Sana made me uno. I get him. Because also almost fight some more artists in a very bigger. A very bigger.
Okay, Matthias said, okay, I'm not back to the start of current beef. A bra Fantana, ya host too, interviews to show, what could show an interview or call artists Wendy Shay. Near cancer, there's a topic near this and a company wasn't related to or no record label. And I say the thing she has to say about Wendy Shay, but now a general question. Why do you think, say, or bar up mentioning to say, I say, or my examples of people who have made it in the industry? Now, if you know, I call back. I say, or no artists when they say they were a local champion. Why did you think say or bar up with that theory in the first place?
On the say on open away will be with me about I say reason with because me meaning it trims are.
Oh, but you funny say me know you were the same record label.
But say me means me who didn't reason tia cause I no need trim person.
Oh, maybe so me be same scenario kakra. Me know me and you the same record label. Do say you in Kakra and still now we are working for the same purpose. Say your record label never GD, you record high, everything will work for us. Now you invited me to show, then I just come up with a theory because somebody said you are no good. Is it not destroying myself in another way? Because me can say you are no good. I'm still talking about myself because we are in the same place. No good. Or say she's a local champion.
But
or discrediting no. But discredit to the record label.
And discredit the truth no kind. But I say, oh, you man that's a record label and sounded right, no. But then when you're a local champion, who bet me your hits upon hits our country move. But then I don't just say, oh yeah, international act. So far as music now cross the borders, but the show or hits chain. So if you are we are Lamon in Ghana, but then Omuni name cross the border. Same way, my site example, it's Kwame Yuji, Anakusiata. Ofia omutuna Kwame Eugene name or head scrap, but then musical near cap brand of a name worldwide in your manana, which is the only mean for Kwame Eugene and compare Quisiata. I get him. Those are heads.
Oh, side with
no, no, sir. And you don't try a truth. I get him. Wait, my heads, no, but I don't just say you're out there. I get him.
But why should it be your co-artists? We can one sense. There are so many.
On the money you're wrong, but then. The kind nenya sebia and true and be sebia hits, but then true. But then it's also more one record label so the man awkward no. But then me who will be a problem
and see when the shape reply and who is when the shape were acted too quick and I said same way I cut the truth about it. So what's on okay the truth.
Oh, say
I know one just accept to say
no, be any more better downplay no. Because even if me say me a local act crampona, me see as because me won't say me a much bigger than Sawin. In a way, no also right in a own way say about back say like you or no anya crystal or hating your money and the other day. Obi any over downplay no sir. Say you can't know what sir. No.
Me a female. And I know there's a thing about females, say like females there insecurity doors where you team when I say you want town phone tea. They also record rough town record label when you bet like I say insecurity about females need be and apply to almost carriers because Wendy Shay is good in her field. It means downplay that she's good. She has done well in her musical career or buy a crown chair, but she has more hits. Nehe Fantana so or buy and also that's well where she has been placed. Now they are still going forward, doing more things in their career. Now all of a sudden they just want to cause commotion in their own doing well. They have said they don't do the same thing. They are not into the same kind of music. They do different things.
Man, maybe I say more in competition with yourself. Like I my steady one bound. Aside some musical aspects, like naturally, now.
Two is a competition about
but then I think say we better say we be a best split and we be a youth man. So now they are shedding, we wait me fully waiting.
Once again, I artists be bra, almost fully under record labels. Oh yeah, sign in some way accounting now almost fully under record labels. Say, Obe corner another signing or one competition about until not to say, and you might have signing to no more signing under record.
No, but say. Under record label and telling you maybe say be our upcoming artists there and I think say be our record label Ghana they are very way because it beats me blow with them but then we already self-made artists now Ghana on a record label papa benefit me hoodie a giant I get this be our train international but I've been a Ghana we record label benefit my son is obits impossible because brand green in chain or record label now or no individual on the campaign who has a record label no bigger than you. And I will record label more limitations people room. Want to me release track anytime be out there. And I want to me boss show be a time be out there. And our revenues I like when you never fetch, you know, or just some cut bill when you're entitled to the whole package, you know. Anything that man copy and yet so much into I can't say record label, no. But then what's the idea more tower record label me or more shut down blue here.
Now a new artist.
On your new artist, the genre of music, no, you're international.
Okay, or her for some time. I may clarify that. Or her for some time now. But she's not under any record label. She's doing well in her field.
She's doing
but
well.
She has not really blown, say, or out there in the sound. Who want to say the reason why I won't blow it out there, son, because of someone joining any record label?
No. And I don't know the genre of music, type of music, no, you know. One say, or no, you're more of us or rap some way. And I rap music, I can say, I shouldn't sell it Ghana, sir. I get me because if you the likes of Sako Demo Crampona, those are more rap, you're right, but then on my tracks, hits outside rap. I get me. Rap music, I just look at some brand pians and I'll be between your major influence. I know your bass, so if you know Barony Moon, more rap by
and fat. Hey.
And fat, if I know your hits,
and
fat. Until one man among we Afrobeat back, Oceans are good, my Afrobeat crack.
You went with the
Africa for you.
Okay, fine. You're coming back to a year of town record label. I told you I said bullets when you're terminating Fantana, my contract. Why Fantana? I didn't know one terminating Wendy Shay.
So Wendy Shay.
All of them are doing the same thing. We Kasana, we are Kasa. They are all putting Rough Town out there on the map. And they are into this controversy together. I didn't know what terminating Fantana.
But then also beef in the campaign and then start
but
then no bullet to come out and beside it will be a
see himself almost causing controversies just to hide themselves.
But then on bout to beside you be a person himself artist for being in India. But then also in the background you also yourself best set on your money. But then this time around, when they say on the address towards Fantana, on the problem. But then Fantana they are no overboard. The label no as a whole, or dragging the label as a whole. I get him. And at this time, the label not be himself more lyrics are sounding your money, some they are done in your money. But won't mean because them. This as now as a discredited label no. And I this same label now the mouth blue. It is if we need ya. I also otra masa de no kosuka. I was a check ramp or sanka.
Oh, okay, to who say and some okafa label and nothing no man attending.
But when the one some bianca send normal artist for me and I was on the camp over integrity say sanka mutu no camp and me describe abre label because we drop a track be a person biti on a beat to describe them, but then to attack the label there was very wrong. And me sure say no and
yeah dear come on every and now Fantana she's no longer part of Rocktown label. And who say on her own now. She's good too. Can she make it in the industry?
It's me say I will be making the young couple bit me determine, but honestly, kakra will fear will be the only say be on start to see our solo artist in there. On starting with some features video, be our new big act and also bit me to your camera.
Was it a bad decision to attack the record label? With the truth now only you know.
But then they're very bad. Very bad. Because if there's a we can pull it through, when to man can't that to say assemble. Which means there's a problem with you. I said, or feeling insecure. She thought no. Into which means
they were all behind Wendy Shay. When Wendy Shay back out, no, but
even to lie, say, oh, claim say, oh, try Ghana phone trust, then. On crampo, no crampo, say, Ghana focus on for upon in Ch0ppings outside the camper. Say, oh, problem. Into also on crampo, and yet point, and yet valid, sir. This are point to go you feel. Because, say, if you go for now, attack your Mondays or Moniano. Or more say it may influence them, I was what your mocha. Now, for the old back of a catcher says, I'm for you. I said, I was wrong, because also one will fall into Savi now will be trying from. It's other point in there.
Every for a same way, the Casa share and not the young who must bread that because still now, and I'm still holding. Yet, the liberty a chip, the back with sister Fantana, bit man making it on her own, and that's why joining another record label. Yeah, baby, stay tuned. I want to my GH at the bed to us. And they see how they now says I want to hear Fantana on your part of Rocktown record label. Who PM on your particular BM. You're terminating the contract. They see how they want more as a single and solo artist. I had a and common no ABC. Now so channel to my GH or Instagram will be to me as follow you. At @2magh_. Midi Edna na ama usa. Share comment our comment section honum. Na subscribe is a one subscriber. Macram.
Fit any access anything. And your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha. My sister me YouTube no. Baby I should be I'm a change your floor. And I'm about too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me share.